Hi guys, it's Michelle here. How are you? Okay, so today we are looking at red flags that clients should watch for in aesthetics. Whether you're starting aesthetics for the first time or you're going to a new clinic, these are some pointers that you should take into consideration. So, number one, a consultation should always be carried out. Um, a therapist or medic should always carry out your medical history. You should complete a form, explore if you're on any medication, if you have any allergic reactions, if you have any emotional history that might impact how you think. If they don't do this, it's dangerous and unprofessional. So look out for forms, look out for communication and thoughtful questioning. Okay. Number two, never accept a pushy practitioner. So if they're saying, oh, you should get this done, you should get that done. Oh, do you want to try this? You should. Like, really work wonders. It's not nice. It's unethical and it's upselling. They're not respecting you. They're thinking more of their sales. So try not to buy into anything you're pushed in to do with regards to um, your image or your body. Okay, it takes away your body confidence and it kind of like makes you feel less than when someone tries to coerce you into buying something, and it's not always the case. No mention of risks or side effects. So if you go to a practitioner and they don't say, you know what, if you take this, there could be possible swelling, bruising, or infection. So they should always tell you about risks. So if you get a filler done, Botox, they should always discuss the risks with you. So look for risk discussion, consent forms before you pay and you book. Don't just go for it. And it doesn't matter if you've had a procedure done before. Um, it could be a different drug or a different prescription. So you might have to discuss these elements with your practitioner. No qualifications or prescriber partner. So in the UK, Botox is a prescription only medicine. Okay, POM, prescription only medicine. If they say, oh, I don't need a prescriber, it's illegal. Ask who your prescriber is. So always ask a practitioner who their prescriber is, okay? And ask if you get a face-to-face consultation with the prescriber, okay? It's always important. Number five, they have no insurance or accreditation info. So practitioner, you can't tell you who insures them or show you any training certificates may not be legitimate. So always look for displayed certificates and their insurance, their CPD training credentials. Number six, heavily filtered before and after photos. If you're with um, a practitioner who does a lot of filtering, don't trust it because it takes away the realness and the truth of what's really going on, you know? So, no real professional needs to over edit, okay? Whether they're doing semi permanent makeup, whether they're doing fillers, whether they're doing Botox, they shouldn't use too much filter or any filter at all. It's misleading and it breaks trust, okay? It's false advertising. So look for natural lighting, look for no filters and honest captions. Yeah, like results vary. Results are going to vary because not everyone's born the same. We all have different bodies and we react to different things, okay? If they say, oh, you'll look 10 years younger, this is number seven, by the way. If they say, oh, you're going to look 10 years younger, they're actually promising you something that's not realistic. Okay, that's unethical as well. There's no guarantee with anything that you're going to look 10 years younger. So it's often targeting insecurities, okay, and not your actual health. So that's number 7. Have I got any more? I think that's it. Yeah, that's number 7. So that's a wrap. Look out for my next video, okay, which is red flags to watch out for on aesthetic courses. So for those of you that want to train in aesthetics, these are the red flags to look out for before you go and book the course. Take some of these factors into account before you waste like £2,000, £1,000, even £200. So I'll go over that with you. Okay, it's been lovely talking to you, and I'll speak to you later. Ciao.